Guys, I'm going downstairs to go and get my package. Someone sent me a package for my birthday. Like, I can't wait to go and claim my package for my birthday. Oh my god. Yo, oh my G, like, my birthday package. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marachi here. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are staying safe. So today I want to thank you guys for all your birthday wishes. You know, I just celebrated my birthday. My birthday was on the 29th of April. And I thank you for all those that celebrated me, all of your comments, your prayers. Thank you very much. I so much appreciate you guys for all your support in my channel. I see everything that you have been doing for me. I thank you. I can't thank you less for all that you have been doing, for all your time, for all your care, for all the love. Thank you so much, and I love you all so much. Thank you, Didi on court. Thank you for the birthday shout out. I appreciate you so much for that. I thank you. I wasn't expecting that, but thank you very much for the birthday shout out. So, and also I will be opening a gift from my in-law. Yes. Those my husband brother that I told you guys, with the girlfriend and the kids that came to our house the other day during Easter, and we did a mukbang together. I will be dropping the video. If you have not seen it, I will drop the link in the up icon. I don't know which side, and also in the description box. You can go and check it out after this video. So she got me a gift. She just sent me the gift today. So I decided to make this video to also unbox the gift for you guys to see what is inside. I don't want this video to be too long. I just want to appreciate you guys, okay? I just want this video to be an appreciation video, and also to unbox what I got for my birthday from my in-law, okay? So you guys will thank her very well. So I have my scissors here, and yeah, so let's unbox it. Then first of all, take my thumbnail. Okay, I think that is okay. So let's upload on the way they package this thing there. Your person want for starts now. Oh my god. This is beautiful, seriously. Oh my goodness. I love the color, so colorful. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Wow. If you know this product, Lola Bianca, like this lady has a lot of classic amazing dresses. Like, seriously, look at it at the badge. Lola Bianca, man. This is beautiful. Like, this is so classy. It's a dress, okay? It's a dress, overlapping dress. Oh my god, I can't wait for summer to come. Let me rock this short dress. Like, oh my god, I love this. I love this, seriously. This is beautiful. Oh my god, it has a belt. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it's a cross neck with a belt. I think it's overlapping, yeah, with a slit. It has a slit. Like, seriously, the material is so cool. Thank you, darling. Thank you very much. Oh my god, this is the hand. This is the hand of the dress, guys. Like, look how cute this is. Look how cute this looks like, guys, with 2 buttons. Woo! This is so beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness. This is a top, guys. This is a top. It's an off-shoulder top. Like, oh my God, with a flare hand. Look at the hand, guys. 3-step hand. 1, 2, 3. This is so colorful, guys. And it has rubber at the down. Okay, it's like a bob kind of it's like a bob kind of top with elastic at the shoulder, off shoulder. You can just put it on, like all this place will be exposed. And oh my God, the material is so beautiful. The material, the texture alone is cool, guys. Oh God. I can't wait to rock this dress. Okay, I can't wait to rock this amazing wear. Oh, thank you, darling. Thank you for this dress. I so much appreciate. And yes, this is what I got for my birthday. And I got, on the day of my birthday, I got some other packages that I've already opened. Okay, I didn't open it in your present. I've already unboxed those ones, so there's no need bringing it here. But since I just collected this one today from Amazon, from there's delivering, I don't know where it came from, if it's Amazon, I don't know. But I say, let me just appreciate you guys and also open it for you guys to see and thank her for me. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss out any of my content. Okay, in this platform, I share recipes, healthy recipes, natural recipes on how to, you know, take care of yourself as a woman, take care of your man, in the azar room, you know, how to stay juicy, how to look beautiful, how to do some natural things that you can get in your kitchen that will help you. Okay, so if you are interested in that, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.